Hey guys, welcome to another episode of All in the Detail. Today I have a special vehicle for you guys. Now it's not a disaster detail, but it's one of my favorite vehicles, Honda S2000. Now this one right here is a 2005 AP2. If you know anything about the S2000, you know that this thing is phenomenal on the roads. And living up here in East Tennessee, we've got the Dragon nearby. So going around those curves is one of the most exhilarating things that you could ever experience. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Later on I'm going to talk about a company who is sponsoring this video as well. I have the logo on the hat, so I'll talk a little bit more about that. But if you subscribe and like the video, then I will be giving away one of these hats for free. So hope you all enjoy.
Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you how excited I am about a couple of cool new toys I got. As you can see, I've got the Undercarriage sprayer here. It works really well. The S2000, I didn't know if it would get under there, but it actually did get under there really well. As you can see, it knocked off quite a bit of road grime, some grass chunks that were underneath the car. This car does not go out of the garage except in the spring, the late spring, and in the summertime. So for it to have all that road grime in there just goes to show that even a car that isn't driven much, it still has buildup underneath it that could begin to wear at the bottom, the undercarriage of your vehicle. So it's always good to get a nice, good clean underneath it. I also finally got a foam cannon. This is one of the more satisfying things, I think, when it comes to auto detailing, just how well it coats the vehicle. And of course this is used to knock off some of the dirt and debris that's on the paint, so it comes in handy. The gas cap is a part of the vehicle that a lot of people forget about. You usually find a lot of dirt and grime, even leftover soap residue where it's not cleaned out very well, so make sure to get into there and clean some of that out. a little trickier to get inside here without wetting the trunk. My pressure washer has an on-off switch. It's an electric pressure washer. It's got 2 power settings. I was able to turn the power off, and when you do that, it doesn't give any pressure, but water still is forced out by the force from the water hose. So I was able to get inside that trail area without spraying too much water and getting it into the trunk. Now would be a good time to talk about the company who sponsored this video. They're called TriStar Hat Company. You can go to the website, which you'll see in the description below, and they're the ones who provided the hat that I'm wearing in this video, and they gave me an extra hat. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and add a comment to this video as well. That's going to guarantee that you'll be put into the drawing, and I'm going to give one of these hats away. They're very nice hats, good quality, they're firm, and so far I've really liked mine, and you'll probably see it in more videos. I've also included a list of the tools and products that I use in the description. So if you see something that you like in this video or any of the other videos that I have, you can go to the description and click on one of the affiliate links, and it'll take you directly to that product. As you guys may have noticed at the beginning of the video and here at the end of the video, this time I decided to include my drone and get some footage of the car from the air. So hope y'all enjoy this. I just did a little bit of video editing and cutting to get this last part here. I thought it turned out pretty well.